Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Ritzyinrain Expectian Trisna. My absent number is 25 and this is my friends.
My name is Rohmad Ibransyah, absent 19.
I'm Fariel Akbar Zuliano, absent 12.
My name is Suryo Adi Legowo, absent 30.
Today we will share our style of special chicken fried rice recipe.
Let's look at the ingredients first.
Let's go!
Thank you for watching and see you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.